everyone, it's Karen with Yes Please PaperCrafts, and in this video I'm going to be sharing some kits that I received from Freckled Fawn. So Freckled Fawn is one of my favorite online stores to shop in for scrapbooking supplies, and I just love their products. So when they contacted me and asked if I would like to do some unboxing videos with some of their kits, I was super excited. So I'm really excited to share this with you guys. They sent me the April and the May kit, and I chose to get the 6x8 scrapbooking kit, but they also have a traveler's notebook kit, an embellishment kit, and you can also build your own kit by picking and choosing what products you want to have included each month. So I think that's really awesome that their kit club has that option to build your own kit. Okay, so they also sent me an affiliate link that I can use, and I'll put that link in the description below. And if you'd like to use that link, there's no charge to you, but I will get a little bit of a commission if you do purchase something from Freckled Fawn using my link. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at these kits. I'm going to start with the April kit, and I'm super excited to be sharing this with you guys. So let's go ahead and check out what they have for April. Now these kits, I believe, are still available on the Freckled Fawn website, and it's super pretty. I love the colors. So that's a really pretty floral. They do have these 3x4 journaling or pocket cards, and those are really cool. So let's go ahead and open these up and take a look at the different cards included. I have never received any of the paper or the journaling cards before. I have purchased a lot of their embellishments. I love their alpha stickers, the label stickers, their enamel shapes. They have so many really cool things in their store, but I've never gotten any of the paper or the pocket cards. Okay, so there, it looks like there's 2 of each one. So this really pretty floral, that's gorgeous. And on the other side is this journaling card. So those are really neat. Okay, then we have this journaling card, and on the back of that one is good vibes. Okay, and then we have this one here which says this right here, and the back of that one has this green and white check. Okay, and then we have this one that has this floral at the bottom. That's really pretty. And on the back of that one are all of these banners. That's really cute. I could see cutting all of these little banners out and using those separately on my layout. I really like that a lot. Okay, and then the last card is this diamond pattern, and on the back of that one is this floral. So those are really pretty cards. I love the colors in this kit. It's really pretty. So let's take a look at the paper. I'm really excited to see the paper that they sent. And I've never purchased any of their paper before. So let's go ahead and open this up. Usually what I go for when I purchase things from Freckled Fawn are the alpha stickers, the washi tape. They have some awesome washi tape. I love their label stickers and their enamel shapes. And so that's, they have a lot of really cool stuff in their store. And they have some awesome sales as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the paper. These are 6x8. It's a really nice weight. Oh, and look, they have the same pattern. That is super awesome. I just love that. I'm going to be fussy cutting this out for sure. And I do love the pattern on the back. Okay, let me move this over a little bit so we can put the paper here. And it looks like there's 2 sheets of each one. Okay, and then there's this pattern. That's really pretty. I could see using this and like maybe putting a picture here or using it as a journaling spot. And then the back of that one is this pattern. Really pretty. It looks like it's very closely matched to the 3x4 cards. Okay, so here is a pattern. It's a polka dot, and it's green and gray and like a teal color. That's really pretty. And then the other side is a tone-on-tone blue floral, and then we have this yellow and white diamond pattern, and on the back of that is the floral. So those are really pretty papers. I just love the purple in this collection or this kit. That's super pretty. Okay, and I just have to check out these alphas. I know I'm not going in order, but I'm so excited with the color here. Look at this alpha. That is so pretty. These are cardstock alphas, and I love the color. That is just gorgeous. So we have the alpha. Okay, so let's look at some of the embellishments that are included in the April kit. There's these wood veneer pieces, little hearts, and then also some speech bubbles with little hearts in them. And those are super cute. Okay, and then next we have some enamel shapes. I love that they're more than just enamel dots. They also have arrows and stars and little hearts. And so that's really cool that they have different shapes. And then it came in a really pretty purple, a pink, and a yellow. And let's see if I can bring this up so y'all can see how pretty those are. Okay, and then the next thing that I'm going to show y'all is the chipboard. And these are chipboard stickers. And they have different little sayings. And I love these little circles. Those are super awesome. I could definitely see creating a layout with a whole bunch of circles in different shapes or different sizes, and then scattering these all over. That would be super cute. Okay, and then we have the washi strips. So instead of giving you a huge roll of washi tape, they give you 2 sheets of the washi strips, and this is actual washi tape. So let me go ahead and see if I can open this up. And you can take this out of the package. So there are 2 pages, and these are so pretty. So I just love that. That's super awesome. And you can see if we peel it up. Let's see if I can get it going here. Nope, I have no fingernails, so good luck with me getting that to start up. But I want to show y'all how cool it is. Okay, so there we go. It took me a minute to get that to peel up. I think I was trying to peel it up from the edge. And so that's really, really cool. So I do love their washi tape. And they do sell rolls of washi tape as well. And I recently got some from their last sale. And they had some really gorgeous washi tapes in their store. Okay, so the last thing that we have for this kit are these label stickers. And this is another thing that I love to buy in their store. And I just love these for journaling and for adding dates to my layouts. And I think it's a really good thing to have because it's a basic that you can use to start building a cluster on your layout. And so I think these are really cool, and it does coordinate. Everything coordinates with the papers, and all of the embellishments coordinate. So I just think that's such fun. I'm going to have a lot of fun creating with this kit. And yeah, thank you so much for sending this to me. It's super awesome. I just love all of the products from Freckled Fawn. And this color is just absolutely gorgeous. I just love that color. So that is so super pretty. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the kit for May. Okay, so here is the kit for May. And I'm going to go ahead and take this out of the bag here. And I can already see something here that I am in love with. Look at these chipboard hearts. Aren't those adorable? I love the colors. Those are just gorgeous. Oh my God, I love that. That is awesome. I just love that so much. Okay, so let's take a look at the little pocket cards, or the 3x4 journaling cards that are included. And we can get an idea of what colors and patterns are included in this collection. So it looks like, I don't know if that's a navy or a black and white. Sometimes it's hard for me to tell. I think it might be navy blue. And so there's a navy blue. I think it's either navy or black. And then there's a red and white pattern. And then here is a little card with the hearts on it. And I just love those colors. It's yellow, pink, and orange. And the back of this card says, "Hey you," and it's in a lime green. That's super cute. Okay, here is a journaling card that has a teal color with little polka dots. And on the back of that one is this lime green pattern. Okay, then they have a rainbow stripe. I just love rainbows. That's super pretty. And then the back of that one has this journaling card. And I think that would be kind of cool. You could cut this out and use it separately from the part at the bottom. And I love this one though. That's really, really pretty. Okay, and then we have this one here that says loving, needing, wanting. And on the back of that one is this really pretty floral. Okay, so those are all of the different cards that are included. So let's check out the paper. And okay, so here are the papers that are included in this May kit. There's this green and white geometric pattern, and on the back of that paper is this black and white polka dot print. I'm pretty sure that's black. Okay, we're gonna go with that. I think it's black. Okay, and then we have a lime green pattern, and on the back of that one is this black and white plaid. That's really pretty. Okay, and then we have this really large Hey You. I just think that's super cute. Can you imagine like putting a picture here, maybe mat a picture and then use this as your photo mat? That would be really cool. And then on the back of that one is this floral print. And then the last paper is this yellow pattern. And on the back of that one is another floral. Okay, so those are really, really pretty. I love the colors in this kit as well. And yeah, that's super, super awesome. Okay, so here are the hearts again. I'm in love with these little chipboard hearts. Okay, and then the alpha that's included is a black alpha. That's really cool. I like that. I like the font that they use with their alphas, the different fonts. So that's really cool. Okay, so here are the label stickers. And look at those gorgeous colors. Those are just beautiful colors. Okay, and okay, so the next thing we have here are the washi strips. So let me go ahead. I like to take this out because it really, you can see a lot better without the plastic. I just think that the washi tape is just so pretty. Okay, so here are the washi strips. See if I can get the camera to focus. I just love that one with the hearts. That's super pretty. Okay, and then we have some more embellishments here. We also have these enamel shapes. There are some arrows, stars, dots, and hearts, and then some little triangles. And it's in a black, a really soft pale blue, and a white. And then the last thing that's in the kit are these wood veneer pieces. These are really pretty stars. I love how they have the opening in there. And then you have the smaller stars. So those are super cute. So really excited about being able to share this with you guys. And if you want to check out Freckled Fawn, be sure to click on the link in the description of this video. Okay, so I hope y'all enjoyed seeing the April and May kits from Freckled Fawn. And I do have a short video clip of my two dogs, Bella and LilyBelle, that I'll put at the very end of this video. So if y'all want to see that, stick around to the very end. So that's all I have. Y'all take care. Hope y'all have an awesome day. And I hope to see you next time. Bye now. Okay, was the yogurt good? Was it good? Did y'all like it? Hello. They just had yogurt from a sandwich stop we went through, and they asked if they wanted to have some free yogurt for the doggies, and they loved it. I wish I could have filmed them eating it, but I only have two hands. Unfortunately, I had to hold the cups for them to eat their ice cream. Okay, y'all gonna say hi? Can you say hi? Say hi. Bella. All right.